What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday. So as you can see, guys, today, this was just something that we haven't seen in the market for so long. We had an absolutely rip. I'm looking here at the futures market, and we can see we had a little bit of news today, obviously, and right around that 2 o'clock, we just exploded. Okay, so looking at futures here, we exploded for almost 100 points. And I had some SPY calls that I took from 396. You can see right over here. Right now, they're at 1490. So 276% option gainer on this. And I really wanted to talk to you about the strategy that I'm using with options these days with the swing trades, 2 weeks out, one strike out the money, and using the Fibonacci. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's do some shout outs. What's going on? George, what's going on? D, Atir, Cardin, what's going on? Bill, Aaron, Trading Wars Army. Good to see you guys. Who else do we have in here? Pop Aaron up there. Dr. D, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. So thanks, guys, for being here. All right, so let's go into this right now. Okay. So what I've been doing lately is swing trading on the hourly chart for SPY, for Tesla, for different stocks, okay? And I took this 2 weeks ago, these calls, and using a Fibonacci type of setup. So before all of this happened, we were in this box, okay? So we were in this range. So I'm just gonna show you the basic strategy here. So we're gonna go here. Let's get the rectangle tool, wherever it is, right here, and you could see we were in this range. Okay, so one of the strategies that I've been simply using, guys, is Fibonacci pullbacks. You guys know that, but I've been using very different variations of the pullbacks, different harmonic patterns, combinations, etc. Okay, and if we look back here, guys, we can see starting from this gap on the 14th of November, from this gap, we've been trending to the upside. Okay, so it's pretty clear and easy to see that. So what I like to do is once we know we're trending in a direction, I start taking out my Fibonacci tool and I start going low to high, like so on. And I start looking for 618s, 618. So you could see one back here. So once I see that there's an algo there, once I see that 618s in there, now I start looking for these advanced pullbacks. Okay. So one of the advanced pullbacks we had is this dragon pattern. So if I come off of here, low, high, pullback, and wait, I think I have the wrong one on here. Let me just redo that one. So you have to use the ABCD pattern. So low, high, pullback, new high, and completion. So right around here. Okay. And what I've been doing what I've been doing for a while now with these is I like to see the second leg in the move. Okay. The second leg is my entry. So I like to see first the algo do its thing. So we can see right here, the algo. Let me go take this arrow, wherever it is. Let's take this text right here, and let's start off with the anchor. Okay. And the first pullback, if I come off of here, low to high, there was our 618. Okay. So that's the first 618. So once I see that that's in play and we get the new high, now I can go ahead and move it up. That's all it is. So now I'm playing the second 618, which is over here. And the reason that I want to do that with this style of swing trading is I want to make sure that I've caught the trend in the right direction. Okay. Obviously, it's not always going to be right, but I wanted to make sure that I caught the trend in the right direction. So what does that mean? Well, if we look to the left, we could see we're trending to the upside. And especially with this gap, so we could see that we're trending to the upside. So I want to make sure I'm playing this in the direction of the existing trend. So by letting it pull back to the 618 and trade to a new high, I'm guaranteeing myself that I'm with the trend. And that's probably one of the hardest things to do, is just figuring out what side to be on. Should I be long or should I be short? Hit me with the 11 if you guys agree. Okay. So one of the main things that I'm doing now is just being patient with the swing trades. All right. So on the second 618, I'm looking to enter. I'm using automated trades mainly. So as soon as SPY touches 455, as an example, fill me on the calls, okay? And I'm going one strike out the money. So you could see right here, 456 calls, one strike out the money. And I'm usually risking between, $300 to $600. In this case, I risked $396 because that's how much I put in, okay? And that went to a high of 1490. So the whole point of it as well is I'm not really caring about a stop loss. Does the anchor stay at the same low or does it scale up? For this particular pattern, it stays at the first low, okay? So because my size is low, I'm not risking, thousands and thousands of dollars. I could stay in this trade longer. So I'll give you guys an example. So here we go. So here's the gap up. We had a lot of sideways action, okay? And then finally, bang, that rip, okay? But through all of this, even through this red right here, or through all of this downside and this consolidation, because I'm 2 weeks out, I can get the bigger pie, which was today, okay? Because I give myself 2 weeks. So some of the biggest problem with option trading is that you guys are not giving yourself enough time. And if you don't have enough time, you have to get the direction right, but it has to be right away. So give yourself 2 weeks with these trades and watch how your profitability changes, okay? Hit me with the 7 if that makes sense. So this was an absolute massive rip today. And as you guys know, I've been doing a small account challenge with one micro NASDAQ contract. It's currently up almost $4,000. So I want to announce that I am trailing aggressively now to make sure I lock in my profits. So I originally started this small account challenge buying the 618 pullback right here, okay? So this right around here, I got the 618. The one thing that I regret doing is not adding one more time. On this pullback, I should have added one more time, but I wanted to keep it to a small account challenge and just do one contract. So guys, over 2,000 points. And what I'm going to do now is I move my trailing stop loss right below the body of this candle. So right here. So this is the breakout candle. So I move my trailing stop. This is going to guarantee me about $3,000 in profit, and that'll double the small account challenge for this. Okay. So from here, if this breaks this low, I will sell my position. Okay. So I just wanted to let you guys know for those that are following along with the challenge. Okay. So hit me with a 25 if that makes sense. So that's the game plan. Trailing. I'm glad to have taken this challenge and happy with the results. And if this bull rally is to continue, this is the breakout candle on the NQ, on the MNQ that broke into new all-time highs. The worst possible scenario for the bulls is that this candle immediately comes back down, okay? If this candle immediately comes back down, guys, that'll be a devastating double top bull trap, okay? And that's what I'm protecting myself for. All right, so I hope I showed you there the two differences. One is an option style using SPY. We're going 2 weeks out, one strike out the money. So in this case, I'm using the 618. You could see 454.99 where it's looking to go long. I just get one strike out the money here, 456, and 2 weeks out. And that will give you enough time for these bigger moves, okay? Because if you do 0 DTE or if you do the same week, you might end up in a choppy environment and you're not giving yourself enough time to let the trade work. Okay. And then with futures, like I said, this candle needs to hold. So I'm moving my trailing stop loss on that small account challenge. Update on Tesla. So Tesla put in a red to green move today, creating an absolutely powerful outside bar. I still have some calls on Tesla. They are under the water about $300, but there's still 2 more days left in the week. For me, they're going to expire this Friday. I bought them 2 weeks ago. So still have a chance here, guys. And if we go back to the monthly chart, Tesla is still inside, and Tesla has not seen a double inside month. I don't think it's ever seen that in its history. Okay. So I'm looking right here, guys, for this bar to break out. I'm still looking for the breakout, and we still have, 15 days left in the month. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it. So I hope you like that little lesson, and I'm going to try to make a video on how to automate the options with that particular example. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com. Right now, so if you're wondering where I post those swing trades, if you go to the SPY lottos, you'll see me. I post the lottos on the SPY and Tesla and the different ones that we take. And this is a lifetime access room. So I think it's a pretty sweet holiday deal I'm doing. It's $100 from 150 for lifetime access into the swing room. Plus my beautiful Power of the 618 Fibonacci book goes through everything in detail, follows a journey of 46 trades, $16,000 in profit, broker statements, and videos included. All right. So take advantage of that holiday sale if you can. And if you guys want to level up and take advantage of everything I have, I am doing a bundle deal holiday special that's going to have all 4 of my books that I've written, one-on-one training with me. So I'll do a one-on-one coaching with you guys, my indicators for life, my Fibonacci bot in the room, in the day trading room for a year, and the lifetime to the swing room. All right. So check that out, guys. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much again. Comment, like, subscribe. Let's do a lifetime giveaway right now. Hit me with a 20 if you're down to do a lifetime giveaway. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick somebody from the chat today because I appreciate you guys coming out. And I know it's been a little bit slow in December for some people, but you know, there's still huge gains to come out. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is, so I'm going to give you guys a video to comment on, and then I'm just going to filter for the newest comments, and then I'm going to pick the 3rd comment in there. So let's go ahead. Let's do that right now. So one sec. So let me pull up my YouTube. I'm going to get a video for you guys. I can't find my mouse for some reason. Kiss my mouse. Where's my mouse? All right, there you are. Found you. All right, so let's pull up a nice video here. All right, so here we go. So the last video we did, I think, was a really good one. So I'm going to bring it over here. So we did basic Fibonacci day trading strategy. This video was a really, really good video right here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste it in here. And you guys go ahead and leave a comment. All right. Hit me with a second when you're done leaving your comment. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh and I'm going to sort by newest first. Okay. And the first comment that pops up on here is going to be the winner. So I'm going to do the first comment. So go ahead and just hit me with those 7s when you're done commenting. I really want to get someone from the chat for coming out today to get a chance for those giveaways. Okay. So just remember, in these times, guys, you got to protect profits and don't get greedy. All right. Don't get greedy at all. Do not get greedy. Take your time. Don't chase. All right. Chasing you can, as quickly as this thing goes up, it can come back down. Okay. All right, here we go. Refresh right now. Got those nice ads out there. Newest first. Boom. Choose me, please, is the winner. I can't pronounce that right there, guys. But choose me, please. You asked for it and you got it, my friend. All right. So choose me, please. You are the winner. I don't know who that is. But go ahead and email me, rich@tradingwars.com, and I'll verify your YouTube, make sure it's you. And I guess you asked for it, so you got it. All right, congratulations, guys. Let's send some love in the chat. Send some fire. Don't worry, there's going to be another one this weekend. I mean, the guys that are and the girls that are out here, eventually you'll win something because I do give away a lot. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you soon. I might do a live stream on Friday, so just look out for that, and I think I'll post it maybe tomorrow. So we'll see how things go. All right. Thank you so much. You guys take care.